na ka jingjilai ki agency ki bayo ban pinyat kam hapo ka jila Meghalaya wat habala don bun ki trai jila ki blas dang ban pinyat ya kani ka kam kabla pinlong ru ya ka Federation of Khasi and Jaintia Garos People Central Body ha ka khat artarik ujimang arjar arpunrio hapo ka jingalam uba regional thaba assistant secretary ban yakandu ya chief executive member Jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Winston Tony Lingdo Banyakren halor kani ka phang but halor ka ai trading license daga KHADC Shaki babon ki agency ki bayo ban pintre kam ha kani ka jila hadian ka junya kandu bad CEM habakren kilat pathai khubor na kalyang uba regional thaba ulaong ba ka jinkren jongki kalong bantip kumno ki yo ka trading license Henry ulapintem ba ha ka jinya kren bar CEM ulapintip ba ka jing ai trading license shakini ki agency kadai namar babu na ki agency trai jila kimje shim binta kino ki tender bala pelai da ka sarkar preng ni ki company banabar
iwan kendu yau chief executive member joka KHDC hakabangi kum ka FKHP san kami niman si ban wan chakani ka meet pujingi kren hakabai bat ka kejing issue ya kini ki trading license jong kini ki security agency ki banabar hakabangi iba ka kejing exploit jong kini ki security agency firm ki banabar hakabaki bun bagi kun samla jong ki laut ka nam namar ba kejing siu kejong ki bajaka ka baki kut maki ba hakari jong kini department kalong ka ba haka department kalong ka he kata ka private ne ka public sector de haka syam ba hadin melap sko show CM habai dei bani dan nakaliang kejongi yang ba namar ba ibut plat kini ki local kejongi ibam ju participate ya kini ki tanda ki ba wan napo ki central government na kata kebu kejongi ya ki namar ba ila syam ba man bagi check ya kini ki tanda ning ba jam ilap ba kini ki local security agency kim syam lala ban participate dan kim syam lala ban kotbor hakabai dei ban ya hab kata tandar kan Tina kata ngi ke daga sengi wan pesco bangin nong lu kenjak awareness wan pesco shikini ki security agency ki badan hapo shlong ya ke baki la sengi daki perdok perstam jumi ba soba bagin participate yakini ki tanda tiba wan ba central government kang bangin la ban tek lakam ya ke jingwan dengan security agency pelabar di sekoiru ba baki kut ikiredu long ki hapi banya long atpar bat kini ki banabar katang ba kini ki security agency ki ba nabar kinomla banyo trading license katang ba kinomla ban participate apo ki jing hakini ki state jongi kan de lada pimenta pi persyang ban bangin khanglat ning ba kanika district council tu oga syam jike namar ba ki local jongi ki participate ya kanika tanda ke bawan apo central government katum kejing yakan mane kalau bi bala dai namta ka security agency ke bahat namta kini ki private mo ko shlong gila ki ban ai ki firm berapa shlong ni tiba ka ai kejing ke balong tang di tang central government ke bana kaliang ka district council kam mla ban khanglat an layo ko order ban issue trading license di nakaliang kejongi pan ni ikerpat ya ka district council ba kamdi ban ai trading license kat lu ada ke work order kiyo ro ikade ban khanglat ikani tang ba ki try nong try muluk kinjok ke ni kam daga ngiyo ki bri jongi try ki ikna jongi hi ki batai kam security kinum sha exploit kin hali ni ki bri pana ba tai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.